Hello.
Oh, sir. Good morning, sir.
Oh, morning.
Sir, you not come for Karbi Anglong day?
Oh, I get no time like this. I have class.
Sir, you have class.
Oh, yeah.
Sir,
Now I get home from market.
okay, sir. Sir, you make me
Mm,
sad.
hmm.
Sir, you making me sad.
Oh, like how to do? You are not giving, and I'm waiting for
Sir,
this.
we will meet tonight. Please come, sir. Please do not make me sad, sir.
I can come. We have to take it time. On Sunday, I think I have time. Hmm? Hello.
Sir, please come, sir. I want to meet you, sir.
Oh, sorry, today I get no time. Today or tomorrow I have time only. Sunday, I think. When
Sir, okay, then let's meet Sunday, okay?
we can meet over then.
Yes, sir.
And this time is will give or what? No.
I give, sir.
uh, I look soon this one.
Okay, sir. I look soon you too.
I'm very missing on this thing.
Sir, I very miss you on this